Look, you're staring down a wall every day that's built from fear, habits, and stale thinking. It's not just the marketplace or the tech that's brutal, it's the invisible stuff. The gut punch of seeing your team stuck in old loops, the slow death of ideas that never get air because everyone's afraid to look dumb or lose control. Nothing kills innovation faster than leaders who feed on certainty and expect everyone else to play safe. You feel it, right? The frustration. The gnawing anger when you see potential wasted because the culture around you is choking it out. Because everyone's too busy managing risk instead of questioning reality. But this isn't just your problem. It's a system problem, a mindset problem. And if you don't act like a leader who rips that down, you'll stay stuck, watching others move past you. Here's the brutal truth. Transformational leaders don't sit back hoping for collaboration or empowerment to magically happen. They go out and make it happen with surgical precision. The first step, this might sting, is to kill hierarchy in your head. Stop acting like the only one who has the answers. Stop expecting your team or partners to guess what you want or to follow directions out of fear or respect alone. Instead, demand raw honesty like your life depends on it. Build a space where saying, "This might not work," or "I think we're off track," isn't punished, but hunted for. Real innovation is all about being wrong fast, and most leaders treat failure like a crime. Transformational leaders treat it like currency. Next, challenge the rules nobody else questions. The how we do things that's become gospel? Tear that apart. Ask, what if everything we took for granted was wrong? What if the way meetings run, the way projects are approved, or the way success is measured is actually hiding opportunities that could change everything? Your job is to find those hidden breaks and rip them out, no matter how uncomfortable that makes people. If you want innovation, you have to be ready to be the worst part of the problem before you can be the solution. And here's a deal breaker most skip. You've got to fuel individual bravery like it's oxygen. Innovation isn't a group project where everyone nods politely. It's a wild arena where individuals challenge norms by swallowing discomfort and pushing boundaries. Create a culture where being exceptional isn't just tolerated, it's demanded. Reward those who take real risks, who speak against the grain, and punish safe thinking. If you want your team to innovate, don't waste time protecting egos or coddling status. It's about results, relentless results. That means giving your people autonomy, but also holding them absolutely accountable. No excuses. One more thing. Stop thinking local, or national, or industry limited. The moment you box your thinking into our market or our rules, you lock yourself in a cage. The world is speeding past borders and old systems faster than ever. The only way to innovate is to reach past where you think you belong and grab ideas from places nobody else is looking. Network hard, connect with outsiders, and mix diverse tracks of knowledge that seem unrelated. Because that's where breakthroughs live. If you want to lead transformative innovation, your thinking must be global and ruthless. Borders are just mental prisons. Don't wait for permission, don't wait for the right time, and definitely don't wait for perfect conditions. They'll never come. You have to build the right culture, hard, brutal, honest, and push your team to question everything every damn day. That's how you shake off the stale, the safe, the status quo. That's how you turn innovation from a buzzword into real change. If you can't do this, don't kid yourself. Someone else will move faster, think sharper, and leave you behind. So get ruthless about change, get sharp on your culture, and demand from yourself and everyone around you the courage to face the unknown head on. That's what transformational leaders do. That's how innovation gets built. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the featured link to learn more.